to Literature with Sasha. Here we dive deep into the world of literature, exploring everything from classic novels to the most impactful movements in literary history. Today we are exploring the transformative journey of English literature in the 20th century. From modernism to postmodernism, we will look at how literature evolved and the unique voices that shape it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an insightful journey into the world of words. Introduction. The 20th century was one of the most transformative periods in English literature. This era witnessed dramatic shift in writing style, themes, and cultural perspectives. The rapid societal and technological changes during the century directly impacted the literary world. Writers embraced new forms of storytelling, questioning traditional values, and giving rise to new literary movements that have since shaped the way we understand literature today. Modernism in English literature. Modernism emerged in the early 20th century as direct response to the Industrial Revolution and the devastation of World War I. Traditional literary forms were considered inadequate to capture the complexities of modern world. Modernist writers rejected Victorian ideals and sought to express the fragmented, disillusioned experience of contemporary life. Some of the defining characteristics of modernism include stream of consciousness, fragmentation, ambiguity, and multiple perspectives. Stream of consciousness writers like James Joyce and Virginia Woolf use this technique to develop into the internal experiences of the characters. Fragmentation. Modernist texts often lack a linear narrative, instead presenting fragmented pieces that reflect the chaotic and disconnected nature of modern life. Ambiguity and multiple perspectives. Modernist works rarely offered clear resolution, instead leaving readers to interpret the meanings of the text in their own way. Key figures in modernist literature. Several authors were at the forefront of the modernist movement, each contributing their unique perspective to the period development. Some notable figures include James Joyce, Virginia Woolf, T.S. Eliot. James Joyce, best known for Ulysses. Joyce's work is a prime example of stream of consciousness and fragmented narrative technique. Virginia Woolf, her works like Mrs. Dalloway and To the Lighthouse explored time, memory, and consciousness, challenging traditional narrative structure. T.S. Eliot, his poem The Wasteland, epitomized the fragmentation and disillusionment that characterized post World War I society. Eliot's work was instrumental in defining the modernist literary landscape. The influence of World War I and II on literature. Both World War I and II had profound impact on literature, with many writers directly addressing the traumas, loss, and disillusionment caused by these global conflicts. Key themes in post-war in literature include: number 1. Disillusionment and society. Writers often depicted the collapse of social structures and the disintegration of traditional values in the wake of the war. Existentialism. Many authors influenced by the absurdity of war explored existential questions about life, meaning, and the human condition. Surrealism and absurdism. In the aftermath of the wars, writers like Samuel Beckett embraced absurdism, a literary form that portrays the meaningless of human existence in the world full of reason. Postmodernism and literary experimentation. As the century progressed, postmodernism emerged as a reaction to modernism. This new literary movement rejects the seriousness and the authority of modernist principles. Postmodernist writers played with the forms, meanings, and narrative structure, often using irony and self reference. Key features of postmodernist literature include metafiction. Writers often wrote about writing itself, making readers aware of the artificial nature of the narrative. Intersexuality. Postmodern authors borrowed from various genres and styles, blending themes in creative way. Number 3. Non-linear narratives. Like modernism, modern literature frequently abandoned traditional storytelling, instead employing fragmented or non-linear plots. The rise of diverse voices in literature. One of the most important shifts in 20th century English literature was the rise of diverse voices representing previously marginalized groups from various racial, ethnic, and cultural backgrounds began to gain prominence, offering fresh perspectives on identity, society, and history. Some key developments include African American literature. Writers like Toni Morrison provide a powerful voice for Black experiences, exploring themes of racism, identity, and social justice. Post-colonial literature. Authors from former colonies such as Chinua Achebe and Salman Rushdie examine the lasting effect of colonialism and the struggle for cultural identity. Women's writers. Women writers influenced by the feminist movement of the century tackled them of gender equality and women roles in society. Many authors broke a new ground in both fiction and non-fiction. The impact of feminism and gender studies. The feminist movement, particularly in the mid 20th century, had a transformative effect on literature. Feminist writers used literature as the mean to question and challenge traditional gender roles and social expectations. Key feminist themes in literature include female empowerment. Feminists depicted women characters who fought against patriarchal oppression, gender, and identity. Works by authors such as Virginia Woolf explore the fluidity of gender identity and the struggle women faced in a male dominant world. The role of technology and media in literature. The 20th century saw rapid advancement in technology, which had a significant impact on literature. The inventions of film, television, and later the internet changed how stories were told and consumed. The growing influence of mass media was reflected in literature, with writers beginning to experiment with multimedia and new forms of digital storytelling. For instance, film and literature. Early in the century, filmmakers or writers experimented with the relationships between the written words and visual media, a connection that would grow as cinema became an influential storytelling medium. The internet. By the late 20th century, the rise of the internet allowed for new forms of digital writing such as a blog, ebooks, and online literature communities. Conclusion. The 20th century transformed English literature in a way that continue to shape the field today. From the advancement of modernism to the rise of diverse voices and exploration of feminist and post-colonial themes, the century witnessed groundbreaking shift in literary style and content. The influence of 20th century writers can still be felt in contemporary literature, as their work continue to inspire new generations of writers and readers. Ultimately, the 20th century stands as an important movement in the evolution of English literature, reflecting both the turmoil and the triumphs of the human experiences. Thanks for tuning into Literature with Sasha. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of 20th century English literature. If you did, give this a video a thumbs up and share it with fellow literature lovers. And leave your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more literary discussions and breakdowns. Until next time, keep reading, keep exploring, and keep celebrating the beauty of literature.